Hello everybody, today I'm going to be cutting rocks. I have picked out some of the ugliest rocks or the prettiest rocks. Appreciated, dendritic, all agatized, agate, some blues, yellows. I can't wait to see what they look like cut. Let's see what they look like wet. Yeah, see, oh, some really nice ones. Yeah, can't wait to cut these. I'll decide after I cut them what I want to do. I might just do a one cut. These blue ones. This thing looks like some amber. There's some picture jasper, fortification, some type of agate, peach. So anyway, I'm going to be cutting these and putting a video on later of the cut items for all my rock hounding friends and followers. Have a great day.